Hey, so busy. The late closure, late Frontal. We have some stock and pack and have for customers. As you guys know, we have our Spring Festival after 12 days. Very busy. And remember, the new stock will come next week. As you can see in this video, we have some late closure, late Frontal now. And more will come next week because next week will be the last week. Next week will be the last week before our holiday. So we are catching up with the time. We are catching up with the time to prepare the hair for our customers. Some customers already paid, and we are preparing for them. So you guys please pay attention to my YouTube channel and Instagram. I will keep you guys posted. Don't forget, we will have the 6x6 closure and 30x6 frontal. Remember, the 6x6 closure and 30x6 frontal will come very soon because some wholesale buyers already pay. They're pushing us to make this hair for them. But yeah, it's very good. Everything is very good here. More and more stock, but we are kind of selling very fast because they really love the hair. We are providing them the quality. The clients love the quality very much, and we're selling fast. Sometimes some clients will complain to me that we sell the hair very fast, and when they ask, sometimes we say the closure sold out. But we already told you in the last video, we have a system, app. So you contact me, I will teach you how to check with our updated in stock list. So every day you can check. Remember, this very tough job. Thank you very much for supporting me all the time. Thank you very much. Thank you for you guys, and let's work hard together.